Finding the courage to change, weeding my mental garden. For many years, I was completely focused on what other people were doing. My family, my friends, my coworkers, my boss. I could talk your ear off about all the ways that they were driving me crazy. I was dimly aware that I was driving them crazy too, but I thought that they were the problem. I was just misunderstood. I became more and more unhappy, and more people misunderstood me. Finally, I spotted the common denominator. Everyone that misunderstood me also had a relationship with me. Their primary complaint was that I was constantly trying to tell them what to do and how they should live their life. I meant well, but they didn't appreciate my unsolicited opinions. This realization was a blessing. I started a journey of self-discovery and self-improvement. I took classes in yoga and Aikido. I started journaling and meditating regularly. Eventually, I ended unhealthy relationships and found healthier ones. New relationships brought me the blessing of the 12-step programs AA, Al-Anon, and ACA. By attending these meetings, at first as a guest, I was able to learn from the experience, strength, and hope of others. I saw that they focused on minding their own business. Today, I'm learning to tend to my own mental garden. I've got some thorny weeds that keep popping up. I'm kept busy planting the seeds of new thoughts. The fruits that I harvest include positivity, abundance, and serenity.